Hi, it's Tom Lyons here from realmarkai.com and Team Lyons here in Belleville, Ontario. And I am here showing a little bit of virtual staging love using AI. So the site that I'm on is VirtualStagingai.app. When we need something quick and we need something nice, this is the tool that we use. You go into My Photos and then you go to Upload a Photo. And then you can choose whether you want to remove existing furniture or add furniture, which is really great. In this case, I'm going to do add furniture, and the room that I'm going to toss in is going to be a bedroom. And the style that I think I want is going to be farmhouse. I like that. So we're going to go find the image. So we've picked this beautiful room, and all we have to do now is process the photo. What I really like about Virtual Staging AI is that you only pay by the photos you upload. So you get unlimited edits, which is really important because sometimes you want to reiterate through 5, 6, 7, 10 different styles, that sort of idea. So when you're purchasing their different plans, and we'll show those plans at the end, but when you're purchasing the different plans, you're buying per upload. You can see now this bedroom, and like really nice. I like that one. This one's interesting. They moved the bed a different angle, which looks really nice. And then here they put this in front of this. So this is not any good, but here's a good example. So we can change the style now. I can go, let's go luxury and create more. And instead of going with this farmhouse feel, it's going to go with a more luxury feel. Okay, so we have our new ones here. So these are luxury. So that's interesting. So this one looks very similar to this one. If you look at the two of them, very similar. But what they've done is this one has more of a cotton linen feel with the picture. The luxury one, this has more of a satin feel with the gold pillows. We've got this one. Again, you got a more satin layout, which is nice. Again, more satin. Again, putting something in front of the closet makes no sense, but this makes sense over here. So I would pick this one. I would be tempted to pick this one here. Either pick this one or this one here, and probably all three of these were, only the first two were good. So that's as easy as it is. So we did 9 iterations within literally minutes. To download them, it's super simple. You just click on the photo you want, click the little download button. You can add a watermark saying virtually staged if you'd like, so that you don't have to add it afterwards, and you're good to go. We usually send both pictures out. So we would send the virtually staged and we would send the original so that people can see the room before and after. And that way we're not fooling anybody. They know exactly what they're looking at. Okay, so that's it for today. Do me a favor, hit that like button or subscribe or share this video with somebody that you think is looking at one of these tools or wondering about these tools. That's the only way that I know I'm producing something you guys want to see. So go ahead, hit those buttons, and we'll see you next time.